this is what you gotta do to make money. So dropped off my container, picking up another one tomorrow, headed off. What's good, everybody? Back with another video. I'm out here in Corey, Pennsylvania. If you want to take a look at the scenery that's going on right now. It's a winter storm, so right now the Northeast is getting hit with a bunch of snow, rain. So it's either stay home, make no money, or take a chance and make some money. So this run was $1,200. So I went ahead and took it. Yeah, so after I'm done with this delivery, I'm headed back to Jersey, drop off this container, and tomorrow should be clear weather, make another delivery. So always gotta, weigh your options. Should I stay home and miss a day? I don't work weekends, so that'll be 3 days of missed pay. So sometimes I was sick last 2 weeks with, I don't know what type of situation, flu maybe, but I couldn't do anything. So I had a nice little vacation. Got back up on the road, and nor'easters and snowstorms and bad weather. So it's like, oh my God, back to this stuff. So that's the life of trucking. That's the life of trucking. So, all right, catch you on the next clip. Later. Right now, I'm making a delivery in Maryland. Actually, from Maryland to Pennsylvania. So it's only a 2-hour ride from Baltimore. How you doing?
Let's go. Can I get you in base 6?
Okay, 6?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
No problem. Alright, change your doors. Just gotta readjust yourself. And I'm also doing this with a phone in my hand, which I wouldn't advise. But this is just to show you guys how easy it is backing into some of these spots. Just gotta do one pull up. That clutch to slow down so you don't bang against that bay door. Wait. Neutral. Air brakes. That's it, folks. Good morning. Right now I am rolling to pick up my container. If you want to see why I'm rolling, it's because I don't get stuck in all of this snow. I'm picking up that container down there, so that is my morning right now. Surprisingly, the roads are clear. I'm looking at the highway right now, so it's safe to drive. Just this parking lot is full of snow. So, yeah. Anyway. Yesterday, leaving this parking lot, the road was full of ice. To the point where all I did, I was doing 1 mile an hour, maybe 2-3 miles an hour. Turned my wheel and I started sliding. I was like, oh yeah, this is not good at all. Even with the container I had on me, that was me bobtailing, I was sliding. Then when I got the container on me, my tractor is sliding down the hill like this, when my container is still holding on straight. Oh man. And then some idiot goes over a hill, the hill that I'm at, where you can't really see nothing. Sees me at the last second, hits the brakes, and spins out. That's why you should drive at a pace where you're able to see over obstacles, especially in ice. I'm like, oh. You could have ruined both of our days just because you want to go over a hill faster than usual. Alright. Snow not letting me get underneath the container. Let's do it with a big bang. That should work. I'm all full of snow. This is why snow boots come in handy in the Northeast. Well, they're really like rain boots, but I use them for both. Landing gear raised up. Doubt they put zip ties on here. So yeah. Catch you guys on the next clip. Replacing the socket for my 9003 headlights. So I spliced out one connected to the same side it was connected to the one that socket. I'm gonna splice another one, and one at a time, so that way I know which wire goes to which wire. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 more and then see if it works. Hey, reporting live from the cab of CL Rivera and Family Logistics, the Operators Truck Club. It's another day out here on the porch, and right now I'm waiting for them to flip me. Basically lift up the container so I could adjust the locking pins. One of the locking pins won't lock, so we gotta fix that problem. Yeah, so waiting for that to happen over here in Baltimore, Maryland. So just another day of trucking and easy run turning into an extra hour. So yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully I get a guy to lift up this container really quick and then make that move. All right, later.